So today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to take you on a little garden tour and you will get to see the roses that I grow here. Okay, this is a climber. Oh, no. This is a rambler. Next up, you look at that little small bush, a pale white kind of rose. It's actually Eden Rose 85, by the way. Now this is Gertrude. Gertrude Jekyll does very well, at least in my soil. It's just too good. I have plenty of her in my garden. The smell is divine. You will not quite, you won't really like the thorns, but she's a gorgeous, gorgeous rose. Mary Rose, not very tall, blooms a lot, very okay kind of smell, but in the morning. Marie Curie, okay. Next up is Alexandrine. I was looking for Princess Alexandra of Kent, but I didn't find her, and I landed up getting Alexandrine instead. This one's very lovely. She's got a lemon myrrh kind of a fragrance. Absolute delight. Leda. Nope, she's not Leda. It's a French rose, blooms a lot. This one is Our Last Summer. A lot of thorns. Rose de Recht. My poor little bush is stuck under a large climber, so she's not very tall here. But 1 meter to 1.5 meters. That's how much she can get to. Lady of Charlotte. If you noticed, her peachy orange color is not very intense in my garden. This is dependent on the soil as well. I've seen more intense peachy orange colors. Next up is a beautiful white rose. This cascading, beautiful, beautiful white rose bush is about 60 years old. I don't know what it is. There's my cat relaxing away. There's a lion there. I've been taking these shots for a period now, for a while. Actually, I started way up in from May. Culner's Flora. James Galway. This one can handle a shaded area, so this is a great thing to consider. This one is Oceana, this pink one. The thorns are so hardy, so if you want to use it at a spot where you would like some sort of a, keep people away kind of rose, this one's your go-to rose. Mini Rose Eden 85. The next one is Ghislaine de Foligon. Blooms profusely, one of the most precious ramblers I've ever got for my garden. Let's go on. This one is my darling. She is Jasmina. The way she blooms, it makes you think of a shot or ad campaign kind of scenes from Guerlain or Chanel, but I guess Guerlain, more like it. They've got a lot of these perfumes, right? So it will remind you of a scene from their ad campaigns. Okay, I'm going to take you through a not very flattering part of my garden. As you can see, my lawn's not mowed. They keep growing very fast. Interesting. Okay, now, I'm going to show you a part of my garden which is not very, it's not exactly great, but I've got some ramblers. They were only planted last year. And this one, what I'm going to show you is perennial domino. Blooms a lot. So in case you love multiple sprays of blooms, this one's a surefire there. Doesn't have a perfume or anything, yeah? Okay, Delilah, go make your noise elsewhere. This is perennial blue. It's got a lovely smell. Leonardo da Vinci. Now this one's got some hardy canes and it blooms a lot. Rambling Rosie. I just added her, so she's not very tall at this point, but I'm sure she's going to be a great joy in the years to come. And I don't know what this hydrangea is called, but it's just chartreuse green. It's just super gorgeous. Flops over all the time. So it needs something to hold it up. That rose that was right next to the hydrangea, now that is also a perennial blue. Let's move on. Now, let me show you something. This is another clematis vine clematis plant. This one's 60 years old, by the way. Can you believe it? Now let me quickly show you the peony patch that I got. I don't have a lot of peonies to show you as I primarily focus on roses. And I have roses blooming right from May to November. So it's a pretty heavy season of blooms for me. Next up is Wallerton Old Hall. This is a climber. Gabriel Oak. This one is Pat Austin. Now we got Pompanella. I was told it can grow very tall. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my little garden tour, and I promise to be back soon with another lovely cooking video for you guys. Take care of yourselves until then. Bye-bye.